Okay, we're going to make our ornament topper, and what we've got is some silicone cupcake liners, and these are by Easy Peel. These are medical grade, and they are awesome because there's no fillers. They're just fantastic. They're going to hold their shape for life, where I understand that there's other ones that don't. So I have pressed a ball of fondant in here so that it'll pick up the corrugation of the edge. Okay, there's just a small piece in here. I got a bigger piece right here. Pressed, and I already put some gum glue in here. Take and drop it out. Press it on. You can find these on Amazon.com. Easy P-E-L, Easy Peel. And you don't need a paper liner with these. You can just bake your cupcake and pull it right out once it's cool. Okay, I got a little bitty piece of fondant, stick on top for this. The other thing you can use is a turkey skewer. It's got a little round, it's stainless steel, actually really good stainless steel, to put a ring, which usually an ornament has a little ring thing to put the hooky on. So you can put that in here. Just remember to take it out when you go to eat the cake. Okay, I've got my sky blue. I'm going to put a little bit of color, just a little bit of dry brushing, and my paintbrush is damp, so I want to make sure it's not too damp because the food coloring is going to be really wet. Okay, so we're going to get a little bit of this on here, back and forth on the paper towel. I don't want it to be really strong. I just want a little bit of color until it starts going down a lot. That's amazing how much was in that brush. Okay. We're just going to give it a light dusting of color. And I'm pulling into the center from the edge. We can keep this dark or light. I just want to emphasize each one a little bit. If you lay the brush down, then it'll pick up the little details, like right there on that one, that star effect that's there. There you go. How fun. Okay, we're going to put a little color on the ornament topper. We're going side to side on the dry brush so the ridges will show. Love dry brushing. Because it's not going down deep, it's just going right on the top edge. See that? So it still stays white. And you see the texture. Ties it all in. There we go. See how each snowflake's different? Like this one looks a little blue there, but this one's got the fun up on top. Emphasis is on it. Each one's different. Snowflakes never the same. Okay, there we have our snowflake ornament. Surprisingly simple, a little bit of challenge to it, but not a lot of things you need to use for it. So we're just the ball pen, your snowflake PME cutters, and the silicone top for the top. So there we have it. So thank you for joining me. This is Shelly Sicily of YummyArts.com.